Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be starting a series that I'm actually going to finish, and this series is how to script on Roblox with TypeScript. So, I've seen about 0 videos on YouTube about like actual tutorials with Roblox and TypeScript, so this is going to be exactly that. So without any further ado, let's get started. So the first thing we're going to go ahead and do is going to create a new folder. It can be anywhere on your PC, but I'm just going to create it on my desktop for simplicity. I would call it dev or development because this is where all your projects are going to be stored. You can also call it like projects or coding or something like that. But once you do that, you're going to want to open up that folder and create another folder inside of it. And then this is going to be the name of our little test project. I'm just going to call it tutorial because it's our tutorial. Then you're going to want to head into your web browser and look up Node.js, just like this. It's going to be the first result, and you're going to press download. You're going to press current, and then you're going to press Windows installer here, unless you're on macOS or Linux where you can compile your source code. Save that, run through the installer. Okay, once this is completed installation, it might come up with this. All you're going to want to do is just press any key to continue, just like it says, and wait for it to install. While this is installing or after it's finished, if you'd like, you can go ahead and close out of this tab in your browser and look up Visual Studio Code. It'll be the first result. Once again, you're going to want to press download, and you're going to want to press whatever platform you're on and download it. I'm just going to press User Installer 64. Then save file, save. Then go ahead and run through the setup once again. Once those two programs finish installing, we're ready to start coding. So you can go ahead and open up your dev folder and open up whatever project folder you created. And I'm just going to create a new file. It'll just be a text document for now because we can replace the extension. And we're going to call it main.ts. Press yes. And then we can just go ahead and right click on this folder here. And now we can press, if you're in Windows 11, you can press show more options. And now you can press open with code. I have Visual Code Insiders installed, so it'll just say open with code for you, and this will be blue. For me, it looks like this. Okay, now that we're in Visual Studio Code, if it asks you this, just press trust and press yes. Okay, and now we can go ahead and open this main file, and now we are coding.